Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai, here to show you another gorgeous pre-owned vehicle in the virtual showroom. This is a 2018 Hyundai Tucson local trade bought here. We're always happy to get our own stuff back, but we're happy to get anything in on trade. You name it, you got it, we want it. So again, this is a 2018 Tucson, the entry package, but it's got tons of standard features. Extremely low kilometers, as you can see already from the advertisement on our website. So as we walk around, we like to do these outside and inside walk arounds, give you a complete tour of the vehicle so you know exactly what it looks like before coming to visit us, or texting, email, or call us if you have any additional questions. So we're always here to help, whether it be virtually or in the store. We do encourage you make an appointment if you do want to come see a specific vehicle. So again, lots of standard features. You got fog lights, hood's in nice shape, roof's in nice shape, no damage from a snow brush or anything like that. We like to show this so you see exactly what it looks like. No surprises. Good sized trunk. You've got anchors on all three seats. So that's nice. You can have 3 anchors. The seats are also split folding, so you can fold that seat down or both seats, whichever suits your needs if you're doing a little project at home. You've got a nice sized trunk, spare on the bottom here. So if you ever needed it, it's there, but so is roadside assistance. Show you the rear seats real quick. Power windows. These seats are also adjustable. Nice cloth seat. You got a little cup holder in the middle, but you can also throw that up, throw a 5th passenger in there. Carpets are in nice shape. Liners in nice shape. Everything's in nice shape. And that's all we want. We want to sell people cars that are in nice shape. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Locking rear windows right there, so a great feature if you have kids like myself, keep them safe back there. You have an adjustable, manually adjustable seat, which is handy. So if there's 2 of you or 3 of you or 4 of you that drive in this vehicle, you have the ability to set it for what your preference is. So you can also change the interior illumination. You have traction control, which you can shut off. I don't know why you would, but if you had to, maybe on a really snowy day and you had to spin those tires, but let's not think about snow right now. I don't want to think about it. We got enough to think about. I'm going to turn this vehicle on, turn this down. So I'm going to show you some of the features on the steering wheel. You've got your Bluetooth hands-free calling on the left-hand side. On the right-hand side, all your cruise controls. You also have your information system here where you can toggle through and adjust some of the settings to your preferences. So those are nice features to have. If we move over to the middle, you've got downhill brake assist. You got your auxiliaries and inputs right there. We move up, you're not lacking nice features in this vehicle. You've got 3-stage heated seats on both sides, air conditioning right here, front rear defrost, temperature gauges, nice and easy to use, your hazard lights right here. So again, easy setup, that's what we like. No fuss, no muss. Not if you're driving, you know where everything is. That's what it's all about, keeping it easy. Nice little infotainment center here, a little touch screen. See your radio settings right here with nice size backup camera. So nice feature there. And like I said earlier, only 32,345 kilometers. So if you factor in a 5-year, 100,000 kilometer warranty from the in-service from the first time it was purchased, definitely got some factory warranty left, which is always a nice thing. Good peace of mind. So cloth seats are in nice shape, dash is in nice shape, no rips, cuts, or tears. Again, local trade, that's important. We know the vehicle. As you can see, we service it. Always good to know where the vehicle's been serviced. So again, I want to thank you for joining us in the virtual showroom today. As always, you can call, text, or email us if you have any questions about this 2018 Tucson or any other vehicle we have in stock, new or pre-owned. We're always here to help. And as always, you can shop 24/7 at seawayhyundai.com.